Sorry, guys, but this is part 5. We're just going to talk about it, okay? Well, I am. Kalina doesn't want to talk about it. So, yeah. Okay, first about the Laneige. I really like it. And you can kind of see where I am. I've only used it 2 times, but you can't really see it over here. But I know why they don't put that much powder in it, because they don't want to overflow. But I really like this one. It smells amazing. It kind of tastes like nothing, but it tastes good at the same time. But this is really good. I think I should get it. Okay, the drops, I already have them. They're amazing. So, yeah. The Bora Bora. I can see why it's expensive. Like, it's good. Really good. Yusu, I think Kalina liked it, and I put it in her hair to show her how it is, and it was nice. I liked it for her, at least. I think she likes it, yeah. That's it, guys. Bye. And the Bora Bora is going to be so nice mixing it with my Glow Recipe Huge Drops. Those are Kalina's, but I have my own too, and she has the Drug Elephant ones. But that's it, guys. Love ya. Bye. I'm liking by it.